Hello student, our next topic is importance of pH in everyday life. Okay, there are both of importances, but we discuss about only two importances. First is digestion, and as all you know, in digestion our stomach play a major role because in our stomach it releases the HCl, which is acid. Okay, it releases HCl and stomach produces HCl acid. In this, sometimes the stomach produces excessive amount of acid, okay, which causes pain and indigestion. In this condition, antacid is a class of medicine that neutralize the acid in the stomach. Okay, what is antacid? It is a base. It neutralize the acid and it lower the pH. There are two common antacids. First is the milk of magnesia, which is a magnesium hydroxide, and second is a baking soda, which is a sodium bicarbonate. And the other importance is tooth decay. Tooth decay means, as you all know, the pH level in the mouth affect the health of our tooth and gums. The saliva in the mouth has a pH of 7.1, which is a slightly more basic than a pure water. But some food increases acidity of our mouth. If it increases acidity of our mouth, means our mouth pH drop and it produces lot of bad bacteria. Tooth decay occurs when our mouth's pH is lower than the 5.5. Okay, and this acid decay tooth's enamel. The tooth's enamel is a calcium phosphate. It is made up of calcium phosphate, and calcium phosphate is insoluble in water, but it corrode in acids. So this acidity we जो heal कर सकते हैं, it can heal with the toothpaste, because toothpaste is a basic in nature, and it neutralized acid which produced through the bacteria. Okay, some food particles it neutralize, and this tooth decay problem is healed through this toothpaste. Okay.